Looking for the best printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Canon MegaTank G3270. Let's finish strong. Alright, last but definitely not least, let's take a look at the Canon MegaTank G327 Drew. This is Canon's answer to Epson's EcoTank line, and it delivers exactly what the name suggests, a massive ink tank system that lets you print a ton without constantly running out or going broke. The G327i is designed for people who want to print regularly without feeling like every page is costing them a small fortune. Instead of cartridges, you refill the tanks yourself with bottles of ink. It's cleaner than you'd expect and pretty satisfying once you get used to it. Canon says each full set of inks can handle up to 6,000 pages in black and 7,700 in color. Translation: you will probably forget what a low ink warning even looks like. Now, compared to the TR8620A, the MegaTank G3270 makes a few trade-offs. It's a little more stripped down in terms of features. There's no automatic document feeder, no second paper tray, and the display is smaller and more basic. But the core functionality is there. It prints, it scans, it copies, and it does all of it reliably. Print quality is solid, especially for documents and casual color prints. It's not quite as rich or refined as the TR861A when it comes to photos, but for everyday use, schoolwork, forms, creative projects, it's more than good enough, and again, the real win here is cost per page. This is a long-term savings machine. One thing to keep in mind, the G3270 doesn't feel as polished as some of Canon's higher-end models. The design is a bit utilitarian, and the print speeds aren't going to win any races, but that's the trade-off. You get incredible ink efficiency and low operating costs in exchange for some bells and whistles. So, who's this for? Honestly, if you print a lot, like hundreds of pages a month, or you just want to stop thinking about ink entirely, the G3270 is kind of a dream. It's the quiet workhorse that just keeps going month after month without draining your wallet or your patience. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR8620 PIXMA TR862. An all-in-one printer that really tries to be everything for everyone. And surprisingly, it almost pulls it off. The TR8620A is the kind of printer that fits equally well in a home office or a creative workspace. It handles everyday tasks like printing documents, scanning forms, or making copies with ease. But where it really earns its keep is in photo printing. This is where Canon's reputation shines. You get rich color, sharp detail, and prints that actually look like the photos on your screen, not a faded cousin twice removed. This printer uses a 5-color ink system which includes both a pigment black for crisp text and dye-based inks for vibrant images. If you're printing a lot of photos or color-heavy documents, that extra ink nuance really does make a difference. It won't replace a dedicated photo printer, but for a hybrid setup, it's impressive. In terms of usability, the TR8620A is surprisingly modern. It has a bright touchscreen display, dual paper trays, so you can load plain and photo paper at the same time, and it works seamlessly with smartphones and cloud services. There's also an automatic document feeder, so scanning or copying multi-page documents doesn't require babysitting. If there's a catch, it's the ink cost. Like most cartridge-based systems, the 5-color setup can get expensive over time, especially if you're printing lots of full-color pages. But for occasional use or casual photo printing, it's not too painful. The TR8620A is best suited for people who want high-quality prints, some creative flexibility, and a little more polish in their setup. If the brother was the no-nonsense, just get it done option, the Canon is the stylish multitasker that also happens to make your vacation photos look stunning. But what if you want Canon's photo quality and the low running cost of something like the Epson EcoTank? That's where our last pick comes in, the Number 3. Brother MFCJ210DW. This one is a bit of a sleeper hit. It doesn't scream for attention with big tanks or fancy subscription models, but it quietly delivers solid performance, especially if you're looking for a compact, affordable all-in-one printer that just works. At first glance, it looks pretty unassuming, but once you set it up, and yes, setup is quick and painless, you'll see why it's a go-to choice for home offices and students. It handles wireless printing with ease, whether you're sending something from your laptop, smartphone, or tablet. And it supports cloud printing options like Google Drive and Dropbox, which is a surprisingly handy feature once you get used to it. Where the brother really shines is speed and efficiency. It prints fast, faster than you'd expect for something in this price range. And the automatic duplex printing is a huge bonus. You can print on both sides of the page without having to manually flip the paper, which feels like magic the first time you see it in action. Print quality is decent for documents and everyday color printing. Black text comes out sharp and color graphics are good enough for things like flyers, charts, or school projects. But if you're looking to print high-end photos, this isn't your best bet. The detail just isn't there for photography-level work, and the color accuracy can be a bit off if you're working with design files. Also worth noting, the ink costs are a bit more traditional. You're using regular cartridges here, not tanks. And while Brothers cartridges are relatively affordable, they still don't compete with the ultra-low running cost of something like the EcoTank. But here's the bottom line. The MFC J1010DW is compact, quick, and capable. It doesn't try to be fancy, and that's part of the charm. It's for people who want to plug in a printer, print their stuff, and move on with their lives. No apps, no drama, no subscription surprises. Now, we're moving into Canon territory with the Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2800. A printer that takes a very different approach to the whole ink problem. Instead of relying on those tiny, overpriced cartridges that seem to run out just by looking at them, the EcoTank series uses refillable ink tanks. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. You pour ink into the printer yourself, kind of like topping off a car, but a lot less messy. Thankfully, the ET2800 is designed for people who print a lot and are tired of being emotionally and financially drained by cartridges. You buy a set of bottled ink up front, and it lasts for thousands of pages. Seriously, Epson claims over 4,000 black and white pages and more than 7,000 color pages per refill. That means you're not constantly buying ink and you're not constantly throwing away plastic. It's a win for your wallet and for the planet. Now, the trade-off. This printer is not a speed demon. If you're in a rush to print out a 100-page report 5 minutes before a meeting, this is not your guy. It's a little slower than the HP we just talked about, and the build quality feels more budget than premium. Also, there's no automatic document feeder and no duplex printing. So, if you're scanning or copying multi-page documents, you're doing it one page at a time manually. But here's the thing. If you're mostly printing schoolwork, recipes, boarding passes, or the occasional photo, and you want to save money over the long run, the ET2800 is a no-brainer. It's simple, it's economical, and it's surprisingly satisfying to see that ink tank barely move after dozens of print jobs. Just make sure you're okay with trading a few features for long-term value. Next up, a compact, budget-friendly printer from Brother that's all about fast, no-fuss performance. Now, let's talk about the Number 5. HP's OfficeJet Pro 8125E. This one's a solid choice if you're looking for a home office workhorse that doesn't overcomplicate things. It's an all-in-one machine, so it prints, scans, copies, and faxes. Yes, people still fax. Apparently, setup is smooth, especially if you're using the HP Smart app. Within 5 minutes, you'll be printing from your phone or laptop like it's 2025. Which, to be fair, it is. It's fast enough for most people's needs, pushing out about 20 pages per minute in black and white. And it does color prints well, too, especially if you're mostly dealing with charts, presentations, or the occasional greeting card. Now, here's the deal. This printer is part of HP's Iris. That means it's tied to HP's Instant Ink subscription. Some people love this. Ink just shows up at your door when you're low, and you don't really have to think about it. Others, not so much. It locks you into using HP's cartridges. And if you ever cancel the subscription, the printer doesn't work with third-party ink. So, yeah, there's a catch. That said, Instant Ink can actually save you money if you print regularly. It's predictable, it's easy, and the print quality is sharp. This is not the printer for photographers or design professionals, But if you need something reliable that won't throw a tantrum when you send a print job at midnight, the 8125E earns its spot on this list. Next up, we've got the